click on the shape. If you right-click the shape, you have options to copy and paste a shape. So I'm using a PC, so here it says to do Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. So if I go onto my keyboard, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, I can copy and paste these shapes as many times as I want. A faster way to do this, however, is to simply duplicate the shape. So here, it's just Ctrl D. So if I hit Ctrl D, I can duplicate this shape as many times as I want. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comments section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.